Assalamu alaikum class 2, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking online classes properly and regularly. In our previous lecture, we learned about the shapes. We learned about 2D shapes, which is also called flat shape. Flat shapes are those shapes which can be drawn on paper. It has two dimensions, length and width. Today we learn more about shapes and we learn about 3D or three-dimensional shapes, which are also called solid shapes. 3D shapes or solid shapes are those shapes or objects that has three dimensions like length, width and height. Those shapes which have three dimensions like length, width and height are called solid shapes or 3D shapes. Let's look at some of the 3D shapes. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone. Repeat after me. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. Okay class, tell me, what is this? It's a square shape, or we can say it is a plane face. Do you know when two plane faces meet, it makes an edge. When two faces meet, it makes an edge. This is called an edge. And when three edges meet, it makes a vertex. This is called a vertex. When 1, 2, 3 edges meet, it makes a vertex. Vertex means corner. Class 2, is it fun to learn about shapes? Yes, it is. Very good. Okay, now there are some other solid shapes which tells about themselves. The first one is cube. I am a cube. I can slide along all the faces. It can slide along all the faces. How many faces it has? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has 6 faces. And how many edges it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges. Now let's see how many vertices it has. Vertices means corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 vertices. The next one shape is cuboid. I am a cuboid. I can slide along all the faces. I have the same number of faces, edges and vertices like a cube. It has same number of faces, edges and vertices like a cube. Okay, look at this cuboid. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. And how many edges it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It has 12 edges. And how many vertices it has? Vertices means corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 vertices. Let's move on to the next page. Page number 95. What is this? It is a curved face. A curved face and a plane face meet to make a curved edge. When a curved face and a plane face meet, it makes a curved edge. Okay, tell me, what is the next one shape? It's a cylinder. I am cylinder. I can slide along two plane faces. These are two plane faces and roll along one curved face, and this is one curved face. How many faces, edges and vertices it has? How many faces it has? 1, 2 and 3. It has 3 faces. And how many edges it has? 1 and 2. It has 2 edges. And how many vertices it has? It has no vertex. Okay, what is the next one shape? It's a cone. I am a cone. I can slide along one plane face. This is plane face of a cone, and roll along one curved face. This is its curved face, and it can roll along its curved face. Now tell me how many faces, edges and vertex it has. It has 1 and 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 vertex. Okay, what is the last one shape? It's a sphere. I am a sphere. I can roll in all directions. How many faces, edges and vertices it has? It has 1 face, no edge and no vertex. And it is round from all the sides. Class 2, have you all got it? Good. Now it's your homework is to learn the shapes name with their spellings and number of faces, edges and vertices each shape has from your book on page 94 and 95. Thank you.